Revive your watch. DIY battery replacement tutorial. Like and subscribe. Low battery level. Remove the screws. Remove backplate cover. Don't lose the O-ring. Remove the inside surrounding plastic part. Remove rubber protector. Release battery latch. Remove batteries. These are the compatible button cells. Insert new batteries. Push latch to lock. Oh no! This can happen sometimes due to loose contacts. Give your batteries a quick shuffle and snug fit. Most of your gadget glitches will vanish. It's working, but it's still open. Put back the rubber O-ring and white plastic surrounding part. Make sure to clear the contacts. It should touch the back plate later. Next is the rubber protector cushion. This should touch. Put back the screws. Now, the analog and digital time is out of sync. Unlock H-set mode. Press and hold the adjust button for 5 seconds. Second hand auto aligns in H-set mode. Time trio, align hour, minute, and second hands to 12. 1. Press mode button to adjust. 2. Use light and search buttons to spin time clockwise and counterclockwise. 3. Align second hand to 12. 4. Let the hour and minute hands dance to the stroke of 12 o'clock. Ensure time trio is at 12. Then press adjust button to move to the next step. Unlock adjust mode, press and hold the adjust button for 3 seconds. Tap the mode button to move to the next, then adjust using the light and search buttons. Hit the Adjust button to finish. And voila! Your analog and digital time are in perfect harmony, syncing to the second. Synced and finished. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.